Time again over at Batman Fitness. Today I'm going to walk you through most of the Man of Steel workout. Tried to video it at the gym yesterday, but they don't like you to video in there, so I couldn't really explain what I was doing, and plus the video wouldn't seem to post to YouTube. Anyway, alright, so first thing you're going to do is start out with 3 sets of pull-ups. Just moved in here yesterday, so I don't have a pull-up bar up yet, but I'm sure you know how to do pull-ups, or you can look it up somewhere. Anyway, after three rounds of pull-ups, we're going to move into our barbell circuit. Now, since it's circuit style, you're going to want to try to go from one exercise to the next with as little rest as possible. So for the circuit, you might want to do a little bit less weight on the bar than you would if you're only doing a couple reps per exercise. Maybe a lot less. Excuse me, form's what's most important. Anyway, since I'm not at the gym and I don't have any weights here, I'll just be using a long bar, but at least you'll see the form for the exercise. So, I'm going to start out our circuit with 4 reps of the snatch grip deadlift. Snatch grip, for those of you who are not familiar, it's a wide grip deadlift. Focuses a little bit more on the back, lats, and traps than a conventional. Anyway, so hinge at the hips, bend down. Nice wide grip on it, like so. This would be a normal deadlift. For a snatch grip, about as wide as you can comfortably go. Dip down, almost into a squat. You're going to want to press through with the heels. Keep the bar as close to you as you can, almost dragging on your shins. Up. Hinge at the hip, make sure you don't round your back on the way down. Up. We're going to do 4 reps of this. 2. For the purposes of the video, I'm going to stop at 3. Up. Alright. After snatch grip deadlifts, we're going to move into a bent over row. I'm going to turn a little sideways here just so you can see the form better. Really want to keep a flat back on this one, even if you're not completely parallel. Don't round your back on the rows. Shouldn't round it on anything, but definitely not on these. Okay. So, hinge at the hip, bend over and pick up the bar. You'll see some people really like jerking the weight up on this. Don't do that. Really keep your elbows tucked in. Squeeze the shoulder blades together and row. 2. Bend over farther if you can. 3. 4. 4 reps of the row. Getting short on breath. We're not done. Next up, hang clean. So after you bring the bar to about hip level, what you're going to do is you're going to dip a little bit at the hips and explode up, and you're going to use your legs to kind of almost toss the bar and catch it shoulder level. Kind of like that. Looks a little better with weights on the bar, but you should get the basic idea. You're not trying to just reverse curl the bar up. You almost want to try to toss it and catch it. So push up with the heels, catch. 4 reps of the hang clean. From there, we're moving immediately to a standing military press. Much better for the core. Don't sit and do these. So press the bar up. Nice and slow and controlled down. Stop when your arms are about parallel. Back up. 2, 3, 4. Up. Nice and slow down. Okay, safely return the bar to the ground. Last exercise on the circuit, the hack squat. By the way, my legs are really killing me from doing these yesterday. This is kind of a different exercise in that you're going to stand in front of the bar. It's almost a combination squat and deadlift. You're going to want to squat down, grab the bar behind you, a little bit wider in shoulder width, kind of dip down a little bit, and you're going to press through the heels and squat up while lifting the bar. Great way to squat if you don't have a squat rack too. So, you're supposed to go up fast, but I'm going to go up slow just to show you the form. So you kind of drag the bar on the back of your legs. Slow and controlled down until the weights rest on the floor. Don't bounce them, it's cheating. Up. Slow down. Dead stop. Up. Slow down. Dead stop. Up. Alright. Obviously, if there's weights on that, don't do that. Okay, so for our barbell circuit, 3 rounds of that. Now to the last part of our Man of Steel workout, we're going to do a tricep for 3 rounds, meaning 3 exercises. First we're going to do push-ups, more deadlifts, hack squats. For the push-ups, you're going to do it 3 different ways. You're going to start out by doing about 8 diamond, or as many as you can. Nice and slow down, up. Slow and controlled down, up. From there, 5 standard, or as many as you can. Slow down, up. Slow down, up. And then 3 ultra wide, as far out as you can put your arms. Here, I'll turn a little bit so you can see better. Almost like a crucifix. Just bringing your hands in, only as close as you need to lift yourself up. Slow down. Really slow down. Up. Different angle. Nice and slow. Up. Okay. Whew. Just filmed a video before this one, so excuse me for a second here. Alright, from that, you're going to do 2 reps of the deadlift, and which you kind of did before, but you're going to put a lot more weight on the bar this time. Something you can only complete for about 2 reps. You're going to do regular grip this time, not the snatch grip. Keep the bar close by. Hinge at the hips, down. Make sure you grab nice and tight, a little bit of slack out of the bar, dip down, push through the heels, up. Slow and controlled down, keep the bar close to you. Let the weights rest on the floor, don't bounce them. That's why it's called a deadlift, not a bounce lift. Pull it up. 2 reps of that. 2 reps of hack squats immediately after. Dip the back of the bar, now let's do the front. Squat down, dip at the hips, up, down, up. Boom. That's it. There you have our basic instruction on the Man of Steel workout. So check out the article and give it a shot. Definitely rest the next day and maybe avoid the stairs. See you later.